Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about circles, JEE Mains part, discuss about synopsis and formulae. Here, the definition of circle, the locus of point moving in a plane such that it is at a constant distance from a fixed point is called a circle. Here this is the diagram of the circle. Here this is the fixed point. The point P is a plane. R is the constant distance. Here Cp is the constant distance R. By observing that in a plane so many points P1, P2, P3 are lie on the plane. This is the constant point. The Cp1 distance is R units. The Cp distance is R units. The Cp3 distance is R units. To join these points to form a circle. Here the constant point, this is a fixed point, is called center. And a constant distance is called radius R. R is always greater than or equal to 0. Here some points. First one, if R equal to 0, then the circle is called point circle. If R equal to 0, then the circle only center is formed. This is called point circle. If R equal to 1, then the circle is called unit circle. If R equal to 1, then the circle is called unit circle. If R greater than 0, then the circle is called real circle. If R less than 0, then the circle is called imaginary circle. These circles lies on organ plane. Next, equation of a circle. If center h comma k and radius r, then equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the formula. Here next discuss about standard form of circle. If center 0 0 and radius r, then equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. If the standard form of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0, then the center is equal to minus g comma minus f, radius r equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Here to observe this equation, coefficient of x square always equal to coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x square is always equal to coefficient of y square. By observing that this equation, coefficient of xy is 0 in circle equation. Here this is the radius formula, root of g square plus f square minus c. Radius always greater than or equal to 0. These three conditions satisfied, then the equation of standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0. Next, the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0 represent a real circle if and only if these are the conditions. First one, delta, the formula is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square does not equal to 0. Then second one, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Here coefficient of x square equal to a and coefficient of y square equal to b. A equal to b. Next condition, coefficient of xy equal to 0. Coefficient of xy 2h. 2h equal to 0, then h equal to 0. Here radius greater than or equal to 0. That means g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. These four conditions satisfied, then ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0 represent a circle. Next one, the general equation of a circle is ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0. Here the center formula, center equal to minus g by a comma minus f by a. Radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. Next one, let P and Q be any 2 points on a circle. First one, the line passing through P and Q is called a secant line. Here the P and Q points on the circle, the line passing through PQ. This line is called secant line. Next, discuss about chord. The line segment joining P and Q is called chord. This is a circle. The line segment joining 2 points. This is called chord. Next, perpendicular bisector of any chord of a circle passes through the center of the circle. In a diagram, this is the PQ is the chord. A perpendicular bisector is a line passing through midpoint of the chord and perpendicular to the chord. This perpendicular bisector is passes through center of the circle. Next one, a chord passing through center of a circle is called a diameter of the circle. Here, this is the PQ with the chord passing through the center of the circle. This is called diameter. Here see the center. Here some points on diameter. First one, the diameter of a circle is a chord, but a chord need not be a diameter. PQ is a chord. This chord is the largest. This is called diameter. Here AB also chord, but this AB is a chord, is not a diameter. This line does not passing through center of the circle. Second one, every diameter of the circle bisected by the center of the circle. Here PQ is the diameter, it is bisected at center. This is the midpoint. See the center is the midpoint of PQ. Every diameter of the circle cut into 2 equal parts. This is one equal part, 2 equal parts. These 2 equal parts is called semicircle. Last one, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Already you know, this is the circle. This is the diameter point PQ passing through center. You join the lines at any circumference of the point of the circle, then the angle is 90 degree. The angle in a semicircle is right angle. Next point, this is important for solving the objective type questions. The angle made by a chord of a circle at the center of the circle is double the angle made by the chord at any point on the circumference of the circle lying on the same side of the center. By observing the diagram, here PQ is the chord, it is the center. The chord, the angle of the chord at center is double. The chord makes an angle on the circumference of the circle is theta. If the PQ with the chord makes an angle on the circumference of the circle is theta, then the chord PQ makes an angle at center is 2 theta, is double. If the chord makes an angle theta at the circumference of the circle is 30 degree, then the angle at the center by PQ chord makes the angle at the center, then it is theta equal to 2 theta 2 theta, 2 into 30 degree, 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Next one, angle subtended by the chord at any point on the circle is equal to angle made by a chord and tangent at the point of contact. This is also very important point. In the diagram, this is the PQ with the chord. Subtended a angle theta on the circumference of the circle. This is the angle theta. PQ is a chord. Subtended an angle theta on the circumference of the circle is equal to the point P, the tangent on point P, the tangent on point P. This is the angle theta. These two angles are equal. Next, equation of a circle in diameter form. Here, if A is equal to x1 comma y1 and B equal to x2 comma y2 are the extremities of a diameter of the circle, then equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Next one, this is the formula. The equation of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here ABC does not equal to 0 and the coordinate axis. Then the equation of circle is AB into x square plus y square plus c into bx plus ay equal to 0. This is the formula useful for in objective type questions. Here, this is the line AB. This is the line AB. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Intercept the coordinate axis. Then the circumcircle passes through these points. This equation is AB into x square plus y square plus c into bx plus ay equal to 0. Next one, the equation of the circle passing through 0 comma 0, a comma b and b comma a is a plus b into x square plus y square minus a square plus b square into x plus y equal to 0. Here to observe the points, this is the origin point. Here the coordinates observed a comma b, x, y. Here y coordinate is x, x coordinate is y, a comma b and b comma a. Here the equation of circle is a plus b into x square plus y square minus a square plus b square into x plus y equal to 0. Next one, concentric circle. Two or more circles are said to be concentric if and only if they have same center. Two or more circles having same center and different radii, first circle and second circle. The radius are different. Here to observe that equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then the equation of concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equal to 0. Next one, concyclic points. If the points A, B, C and D lies on the same circle, then the points are said to be concyclic points. In the circle, this is the circle. Here A, B, C, D lies on the circle. These points are called concyclic points. Here, this is the important point. If the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, comma a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, meet the coordinate axis in 4 distinct points and those points are concyclic, then the condition a1, a2 is equal to b1, b2. Here, this is the coordinate axis x axis y axis. This is the first line a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 intersect the coordinate axis, and the second line is also intersect the coordinate axis. First line intersect at AB, second line intersect at CD. Here A, B, C, this is the D, A, B, C, D. These are the concyclic points. That means the circle passes through C, A, D, B. This is the concyclic points. Then the condition is A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2. Here one example. If the line x minus 2y plus 3, if the lines x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0, cut the coordinate axis in concyclic points. Then condition. Here the first line a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 2. The second line a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to k. If these lines are concyclic points, represent concyclic points, then the condition is a1, a2 is equal to b1, b2, a1, a2, 1 into 3, 3, b1, b2 minus 2k, k equal to minus 2 by 3. Next one, if the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, comma a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 meet the coordinate axis in 4 distinct concyclic points, then equation of circle a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here coefficient of xy equal to 0. In example, if x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, comma 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, meet the coordinate axis in 4 distinct concyclic points. Then equation of circle. These are the lines intersect the coordinate axis. Here the 4 distinct points are concyclic. The product of two lines x plus 2y minus 3 into 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Here in this multiplication, coefficient of xy is always 0. Multiply with x term, x into 2x square, multiply with y, 2y into y, 2y square. Next multiply with x term, x into minus 5, minus 5x, minus 3 into 2x, minus 6x. Next multiply y coefficient, minus 3 into y, minus 3y. Next minus 5 into 2y, minus 10y. Next multiply constant term, minus 3 minus 5 plus 15 equal to 0. 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 6x minus 11x minus 3y minus 10y minus 13y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. These are the synopsis in circle. Next video also discuss about synopsis in circle. Next discuss about the circle touches the coordinate axis, power of the point, pole, polar, chord of contact, and quadrilaterals in circle, and discuss about areas in circles. Synopsis are most important solving the objective type questions.